Hello, I'm Bill Baird, the mayor of the city of Lee's Summit, and I do love to read. In fact, I spend the first couple hours of every day reading. Today I'm going to read a book to you. It's called America Is by Louise Borden, and it's illustrated by Stacy Shewitt. America Is. America is our country. It is the place we call home. We are the nation whose names means freedom to people all over the world. America is 50 states from Atlantic coast to the Pacific Ocean and beyond, the United States of America. Some states are big, some states are small. 13 of the states are very old. The rest came later, one by one. America is a flag of stars and stripes. 50 stars for the 50 states we have now, 13 stripes for the 13 states that began our nation. America is the pledge we say at school. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And it's the song we sing, hands over our hearts. Oh, say, can you see? You're not going to hear the rest, sorry. America is old barns and country roads, fields of corn and wheat, and farmers who work sun up to sundown. American farmers grow food that feeds families all over the world. America is teachers and their students in schools in every state, and miners and factory workers, artists and musicians, bakers and bankers, and millions of other people who work at many different kinds of jobs at every hour of the day and night. America is skyscrapers tall with many windows, up and up and up. And people in cities who rush to and from work in cars, in buses, in taxi cabs, on subways, and fast trains. Whoosh, honk honk, and hurry hurry. From New York City to Chicago to Los Angeles, this is America. America is the swamps and bayous of the deep south, and ponds that glimmer from east to west, and lakes so huge and deep they seem as big as the ocean. And rushing streams and creeks and brooks and rivers that are long and wide that bring our states together as one vast land, to the Ohio, to the Mississippi, to the Columbia. This is America. America is home to its very first people, the proud tribes who live in peace with the earth and sky, whose words bring wisdom to all who listen. And America is those of us who came later. Many kinds of people from many countries of the world. We are one family and one team. We are Americans. And America is the prairie. Tall grass and wind and stars. And if you listen, you'll see this is America. America is the stone walls of the New England, the forests of the Northwest, the osprey and oysters of the Chesapeake Bay. And Minnesota winters, 10 degrees below zero and sometimes colder. The West and its ranches are a part of this nation too, with 10-gallon hats and boots and spurs, with herds of cattle and lassos in cowboys' hands. Rodeo and yippee-yi-yay. This is America. America is rugged mountains with caps of snow and deserts that are hot and dry, 110 degrees in the shade. It is Niagara Falls, the Grand Canyon, and sandy beaches to fly a kite on, or dig all the way to the ocean, to China. So much to see in every state. America. America is big trucks and wide horizons, and roads that take us east and west, north and south. And America is old towns with old names, and new towns yet to be, that tell our history then and now. It is a nation where 50 states meet, where we all are one. America is the land where we are free to live, to speak out, to worship, to work, to play, and to follow our dreams. America is names we remember like George Washington, Betsy Ross, Ben Franklin, Harriet Tubman, Abraham Lincoln, Eleanor Roosevelt, and Martin Luther King Jr. And holidays we call our own, like Thanksgiving in November to honor the Pilgrims and Native Americans, and the 4th of July, when every summer in every state, fireworks light up our sky. Happy birthday, America. America is letters and phone calls, emails and faxes from family, from friends in the 50 states, near and far, vacations and reunions. We connect across the rivers, across the mountains, across the miles, across America. America is the stories of all of us, told together. From continent to continent, across the world, we are the nation whose name means freedom. America is our country. It's the place we call home. I hope you enjoyed this book. America is. I enjoyed reading it. Thank you for allowing me to read it to you. Stay safe, and remember, this is America.